Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a custom frame in Canva. So basically you want to go to the elements section and you want to find an image that is a solid color, something that you can fill easily. So if you see the little color window at the top, you should be able to select it and change the color easily. Then you're going to want to copy it and put it on a blank page. And once you've done this, you're going to go ahead and save it as a PDF file. I generally just save it to my downloads because it's easy to find that way, but you can save it anywhere on your device. So once it's saved, I'm going to open up a new Word document and upload the PDF. When you have it uploaded, you're going to press Shape Format and then Shape Fill from the menu. At this point, you're going to want to fill the shape with an image from online or from your device. It doesn't matter. And then you're going to go ahead and save it as a PDF file. When you're saving this file to your device, make sure you can give it a custom name so that you can differentiate it from the original file that we saved. And then once it's saved, we're going to go ahead and open it up in Canva. Now that we've uploaded it, we can delete the image that we inserted, and you'll have your custom frame. At this point, you can use this image in any design, and you can fill it with any image from Canva, or you can upload your own images from your device and use those to fill the shape. That's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please subscribe for more how-to videos coming soon. Thank you. Bye.